Assembly dispersed. School left hand.
School, steady. Attention. Steady. Attention. School, right turn. Right. School, steady. Attention. Steady. Attention. Steady. Attention. School, right turn. School, steady. Attention. Steady. Attention. Steady. Attention. School, left turn.
We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Stretch your arms forward.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I
am
proud
of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
heritage.
I shall always
strive
to be
worthy of it.
I shall give respect
I shall give respect
to my parents,
teachers,
and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, along life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's International National News is brought to you by X-Jaspar from Great and Kabas. International News. Russia fires more missiles and drones at Ukraine ahead of diplomatic efforts to stop the war. National News. Mohan Sharan Maji is new Odisha Chief Minister. KBC DEO Parvati Parida are Deputy CMs. Thank you.
Today's State and Sport News is brought to you by X-Jaspar Radio, Great X-Jaspar. State News. Telangana to fill the post of Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners under RTA Act. Sports News. Indian men's football team's World Cup race ends after loss to second string Qatar. Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Harshad from Ukraine, Qatar. Today weather report is maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Humidity 85%. Thank you. Today's thought is brought to you by Meenakshi of Great and Jasper. Success is a sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by teachers of Great and Kabas. Word, screamage, picnic, rough and confused friends. Friends speak the long term. Screamage. FC, RI, MA, G. Thanks.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's current affairs is brought to you by X-Jaspar from Great End. First question. Who is the Union Defense Minister of India? I repeat my question. Who is the Union Defense Minister of India? Sorry, we did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Sri Rajnath Singh. Second question. Who is the Home Minister of India? Yes, we picked the right answer. And the answer is Classic Kona. Thank you.
Happy morning, one and all. How are you all doing? How are you all doing? Did you all enjoy your holiday? Sure? Very good. Good that you have come to school. First day, most of you, some of you. Second day, those are all present here. It's good that you spend your holidays proper manner with your friends, family members, and it's high time that we should learn. We should come back to our work, right? What do you want? What do you want? To study, right? So we learn this thing. We learn from each other. You can find many new friends, new teachers, and you can learn many things from each other. So open your eyes, open your sense organs, eyes, ears, and definitely this year will be a wonderful year for all of us. Are you all ready? Yes, sir. Sure? Yes, sir. Very good. How many new students are there today? Please raise your hand. New students. Definitely you will enjoy in our school. And you can also see many new teachers, right? Don't be afraid, be friendly. Okay, they are here to teach you and explain you, help you out. So be free, share your no problem, thoughts, ideas. If you feel anything, ask. Okay? Don't be afraid. Approach problems, respect. Polite manner you can approach. Then definitely we are all going to become your friends first of all. And those who are going to help you, guide you to become a better person. Let's give a big round of applause to all the new teachers who have joined here.